Welcome to Ignite Wheels. Subscribe Ignite Wheels channel for the latest motorcycle updates and reviews. The new 2027 Yamaha YZ125 continues Yamaha's legacy in the two-stroke motocross world, blending race-ready performance with modern refinements. Designed for competitive riders and enthusiasts, this bike focuses on agility, power delivery, and durability on the track. Design and build. The 2027 YZ125 features sharp, aggressive bodywork inspired by Yamaha's factory race machines. A lightweight aluminum frame ensures excellent balance and cornering confidence, while updated ergonomics provide better rider control during jumps and hard landings. Engine and performance. At its heart is a high-revving 125 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine, delivering crisp throttle response and strong mid-to-top-end power. Yamaha's advanced intake and exhaust tuning improve acceleration, making the YZ125 highly competitive against four-stroke rivals in its class. Suspension and handling. The bike comes equipped with KYB adjustable suspension, offering precise damping for rough tracks and high-speed sections. Combined with the lightweight chassis, the YZ125 delivers exceptional handling, quick direction changes, and stable landings. Braking and control. Powerful disc brakes at both ends ensure reliable stopping power. Updated clutch feel and smooth gearbox operation allow riders to stay focused and aggressive during races. Technology and features. Modern updates include improved cooling efficiency, refined carburetor tuning, and race-inspired graphics. These enhancements make the YZ125 more reliable and easier to ride at competitive speeds. Conclusion. The 2027 Yamaha YZ125 proves that two-stroke motocross is still alive and thrilling. With sharp handling, explosive performance, and Yamaha's proven engineering, it remains a top choice for riders who crave pure racing excitement. Thanks for watching Ignite Wheels. Stay tuned for more high-performance motorcycle content.